Are you ready to say goodbye to your beloved home and hello to a new chapter in your life? Whether you're looking to upgrade to a bigger property or downsize into something smaller, the process of selling a home can be a roller coaster of emotions, but don't worry, with the right approach you can sell your home quickly and for top dollar. And did you know that Connecticut has a tasty connection to the history of food? Connecticut is the proud home of the first hamburger. It was created and served in New Haven in 1895. In this video, I'll be your personal guide, taking you step by step on how to make the process of selling your home as smooth as possible. First, let's determine the value of your home. You may be wondering, how much is my home worth? Well, there's a few ways of finding out, including hiring a professional appraiser, checking out comparable sales in your area, and using online home value calculators like Zillow or Redfin. Keep in mind that these calculators are just a starting point and they can't replace a professional appraisal. Next, it's time to prepare your home for a sale. This includes making any necessary repairs, updates, decluttering, and staging your home to make it as appealing as possible to potential buyers. Trust us, first impressions are everything. Once your home is ready, it's important to choose a qualified real estate agent that can help you navigate this process. They will help you market your home, price it correctly, and just guide you through the negotiations and closing process. If you're thinking about selling your home, schedule a call with me and find out how it would look like for us working together. At the end of our call, you'll find out if it makes sense for us to work together or not. Click the link below to schedule a call today.